How to use the NorthPoint Closets 17 Squares Design Tool. To access the design tool, log into your dealer credentials, navigate to the closet landing page, and scroll down to launch the design tool. Before you begin, make sure you have all wall and space measurements ready. Start by choosing your closet type. Enter your room measurements, then select your door type and link. Once all dimensions are entered, click Create Closet. The design tool will automatically generate a layout for you. For custom wall layouts, click the square within the layout and drag to adjust wall size or enter measurements manually. To add an angle or an additional wall, click the plus icon and drag to the desired measurement. You can switch between multiple views: overhead view, wall view, use the arrows in the top right corner to switch between walls, and 3D view, visualize the full space. To begin designing, click on the unit you want to start with. Adjust width. Click and drag the side arrows. Available widths will display based on the selected unit. Adjust height. Use the top arrow to drag up or down and view available heights. Adjust depth. Select the unit, then use the depth options in the right-hand panel. To replace a unit, click on it and choose a new unit from the right-hand menu. To remove a unit, press Delete or click the red X. To add units, make sure there is enough wall space and that you are in the tower section. Select a wall unit to add wall-mounted options. Select a floor unit to switch back and forth to floor-based units. Once your layout is complete, select your desired finish. To add components, click Edit Components, then drag and drop shelves, drawers, rods, and accessories into place. You can also add storage solutions and choose from available finishes. Pricing displayed at the bottom reflects list price and updates automatically as your design changes. Add props for more detail and realism. In 3D view, you can also customize wall color and flooring. Click Continue to review your full design. Add images by selecting Add Picture. Choose a view and click the camera icon to capture images. Adjust image position using the up or down arrows. Add comments using Add Note if needed. If you need to include items not available in the design tool, select Add Extra Parts. Search for the item, enter the quantity, and click OK. To save your design, click the floppy disk icon, name your file, and save. Click PDF to share with your customer or installer. To place an order, there are two ways. 1. Select Create Order File for easy ordering, save your file, and follow the on-screen instructions for quick order. 2. You can also use the Add to Cart feature when placing orders. Just click the Add to Cart button to include your selected items. Before submitting your order, be sure to review all items in your cart to confirm everything is correct. You are now ready to design your NorthPoint closet.